So if I drop my pen or anything, this is what I won't do. I won't walk to the item with it in front of me and squat. What happens when I squat? Ladies?
You show everything.
I show everything. And even if I'm wearing pants, a lady's legs should not be open, right? So I wouldn't go to it forward. I would not just walk to it and bend over because all of that back there is being like, ooh, she's got a big one or a small one or none or whatever, right? And especially if you're wearing a top and a skirt or pants, the top rises and the pants goes down, and then you might expose something you don't want to expose. So we don't do that. So the proper way for a lady to pick something up is to walk to the side of the item, lock your knees, lock your feet. If you're wearing a dress at this kind of length, you would hold the hem of it, because when you go down, your dress will rise. In my case, my dress is pretty long. So I'm on the side, I'm going down gracefully, pick it up, and I'm up like a lady.